In the quiet depths of the wild, two powerful stags lock horns in a fierce battle for dominance. Their antlers twist and tangle, refusing to let go, turning the fight into a dangerous trap. Suddenly, a stealthy leopard appears, its golden eyes fixed on the struggling deer. For a brief moment, even the predator hesitates, puzzled by the strange scene. The stags sense the danger and try to flee, but their antlers remain hopelessly stuck. They run together, desperate to break free, while the leopard follows cautiously, curious yet wary of this unexpected and chaotic dance of survival.